Hello, this is Edward Kranz, the Honey Badger Binder of BOOKFORGE, and this is a BOOKFORGE unboxing. So today we got a package from Steve Siegel Leather, not Steven Seagal. There's no Aikido in this box, but Steve Siegel. He makes some really good and consistently high quality leathers, and we ordered a special leather from him. Had a bunch of NST something or other, but basically it was a traditionally tanned leather that it was beautiful. It was nice, it was rich, it was supple, the texture was great. But unfortunately, the client who had picked that out, when we ordered it, we didn't know that they no longer make that leather. So I got a call from Steven, and so basically I told him, look, find the closest leather you have to it in color and texture and send me that. And since this was so much more, send me a piece of something else to kind of offset the cost. I wasn't looking for a refund, but I did want my money's worth. So while I know this is leather and I know where it's from, I don't know what I'm getting. I don't know if I'm going to be happy with it or any of that stuff. Isn't that exciting? So, you ready? Bum-ba-dum. Okay, the roll of paper. All right. So the red is not what I was looking for. But the red is a nice color to have in stock. And oddly enough, I was just looking at a project where I need to make some red labels. So maybe we'll use that. Just scared the cat. All right. So here we are. That's a nice red goat skin. All right, let's step this aside. And okay. So this leather piece, I'm a little nervous about how tight that is, but I'm pretty sure I can get, because this is going to be a full, like a family-sized Bible. All right, so, and this is the brown that I got. It's close. It's really close. The other leather was slightly darker, with a tinge more of red, but I think with what we have planned that this will work out really nicely. So, all right, so yeah, these are the two pieces of leather we just got from Steve Siegel Leather. I'll put a link down in the comments or in the description. And we're going to see some red leather bindings. All right. Thank you very much. This is Edward Kranz, the Honey Badger Binder of BOOKFORGE, and this has been a BOOKFORGE unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.